The harvested stems are thoroughly cleaned by high-pressure water jets, preparing the fibers for extraction in the next stage of the process.
High-pressure water jets remove impurities before the extraction process.
Through a series of specialized rollers and comb mechanisms, the raw fibers are detangled and aligned.
The fibers are then moved to the industrial dryer, where hot air removes the moisture, leaving behind the pristine, high-quality.
It all starts with the harvest. These lush dragon fruit stems are carefully gathered and transported.
The journey begins as the freshly harvested dragon fruit stems are transported from the plantation to the processing facility.
These dragon fruit stems, once considered waste, are now the raw material for sustainable textile fiber.
Freshly harvested, the dragon fruit stems begin their journey along the conveyor, carrying the rich fibers that will soon be transformed into sustainable textiles.
The incredible journey of dragon fruit fiber starts with the raw, muddy stems arriving by conveyor belt from the plantation. Here, the stems undergo high-pressure washing to remove impurities before fiber extraction.
The high-pressure jets wash away the remaining pulp, revealing the pristine cellulose fibers underneath.
The clean green stems begin their journey along the conveyor belt, receiving a final gentle spray of water to ensure purity.
The clean dragon fruit stems are transported to a water bath, where rotating mechanisms vigorously scrub the fibers, removing impurities. The dragon fruit stems are precisely guided into the rollers, where the green epidermis is mechanically peeled, exposing the raw fiber beneath.
Here, the dragon fruit stems are fed into the splitting machine, the first step in extracting the valuable fibers. Next, the dragon fruit stems are fed into the splitting machine, the first step in extracting the valuable fibers. Once harvested, the stems are fed into this specialized machine, where circular blades split them perfectly down the middle.
Utilizing precision machinery, the inner core is isolated from the stems. The raw fiber.
Once harvested, the stems begin their transformation, moving through the flattening machine to reveal the strong, natural fibers.
The refined dragon fruit fibers are rapidly twisted into thick, uniform bundles. Excess material is precisely trimmed away by the automated system. Washing the dragon fruit fibers is a crucial step in preparing them for textile production, highlighting our sustainable process. This precise mechanical combing process is crucial, transforming the raw fibers into a uniform, spinnable textile-grade material.
Here at the facility, the dragon fruit fibers are separated and refined into a continuous stream of fine.
The raw dragon fruit fibers are fed into the combing machine, where they are meticulously aligned and straightened into textile-ready strands. The aligned fibers are fed through additional rollers and combs, further refining their texture until they emerge as smooth, continuous sheets.
The mechanical combing and rolling process is essential, refining the fibers into the smooth, continuous sheets you see here.
The fibers are meticulously combed, transforming the raw material into fine, parallel strands, ready.
Inside the massive drying chamber, bursts of hot air separate and fluff the fibers, with visible steam carrying away the moisture.
Inside the drying chamber, controlled bursts of steam and hot air separate the fibers, preparing them for textile production. The journey continues as the dragon fruit fibers are mechanically transformed into durable ropes, ready for the next stage of textile.
From dragon fruit tree to textile, the incredible journey of dragon fruit fiber.
The raw fibers are carefully coiled and wrapped, showcasing their strength and natural texture before the refining process begins. Here in the facility, automation ensures the swift and precise movement of the dragon fruit fiber, ready for textile processing.
The journey continues as the extracted fiber is carefully coiled and wrapped by precision machinery, minimizing waste and maximizing efficiency. From the conveyor belt, the fiber coils move seamlessly to the automated packing station, minimizing waste and maximizing output.
Here in the warehouse, The finished fiber coils are stacked high before beginning their journey to the port.